Welcome. My name is Max Ackman, and today we're going to do some basic searching using the Health Reference Center database. The first thing we want to do is select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all of our databases. If we select H, we can scroll down here to the Health Reference Center Academic Database. This is normally going to take you to a login page, but I've already logged in. If you have any trouble with that, please reach out to us and let us know. The first thing you want to notice is that there's actually 3 search boxes. And so if you want to search everything, you want to search up here at the top. So let's do a quick search on nursing. And as you can see, you also get a number of helpful suggestions as you start typing to make sure you're spelling things correctly and let you know what is the most common topics within this database. One thing I want to point out to you up here on the very top along next to this search box here is the ability to get a link, and so you can actually link back to this search page. So keep that in mind, very helpful, especially if you're doing this with other students in a group that you can't work together. So as you can see, it's pulling up full text, and academic journals is what it's automatically set to. If you scroll over here to the right, you can actually see different ways that you can limit your search. So if you look into document type, this will reduce it to 117,000, which is almost half, a little more than half of what we currently have. So we'll go ahead and apply that. You'll see it pops up here as well. So if you ever want to go back, you just need to hit that little X. Once you find a article you want to learn more about, you select that, and then again you'll notice up here that these have changed now. So this link will bring this permalink. It will bring you right back here to this specific article. You can also cite your source right here, and it will give you MLA, APA, and Chicago Turbine style. And you also have the ability to download it and print it as well. So, or you can email it to yourself or somebody else in your class as well. The title is right here at the top, and then background information is here beneath. So you got authors, the publisher, and then the document, how long the document is. So keep that in mind. You can also link directly down here to Google Drive, where Microsoft OneDrive is available as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're always here to help through chat or email. Thank you, and we'll talk to you. We look to talk to you soon.